Today I'm making a short video about the menu bar in Microsoft Paint as well as Microsoft Word and other products like Excel and Word 2000 or whatever. One thing that I find that's annoying is sometimes the menu bar up here disappears like this. You can't see the menu bar anymore unless you click on it once, but then as soon as you start doing some typing, the top menu bar disappears again. And that's the same thing with Paint also. So sometimes the menu bar disappears like this and you'll just be clicking it and then it'll disappear again. So to fix the issue, it's pretty straightforward, and I don't know why. Well, I don't know why you need. It's just annoying. Anyways, to get it back so it stays on there, you have to go on this area, home or view, and double click really quickly and it'll make it stay. And now when I click outside of there, it stays the top menu bar. So again, if it's disappeared, you just go on. File won't work if I double click on file, but if I double click on the other ones where it has a menu bar, I'm going to double click on view with my left mouse button, double click it, and now it sticks, makes the menu bar stick. Same thing for Word. You can use home or view and just double click and it'll make the menu bar stick. I'm just using the left mouse button to double click. At first I was trying to find something in view to make it stay and I wasn't sure, but you just have to use your left mouse button and double click on the menu option and it'll make it stay on there forever, or until you accidentally double press the menu bar and make it disappear. That's all.